What's going on, everybody? My name is JP. Thanks for tuning in, and this is Summer Left and Jeep. In this episode, I am finally getting to my Kargo Master side steps that I took off a couple of weeks ago to weld them up and do my fix. So here's how I'm going to fix them, in case you haven't seen the other videos. If you haven't, click up there. But, alright, let me show you. Alright, so these are the steps. Got them blasted off. What I'm doing is I'm welding the plate on, putting a bead around here, and then I'm replacing the pin, and I'm going to put a weld bead around here, and then once that's all done, then I'm going to send them off to powder coat. So I'm going to get back to welding. I'm going to finish welding this one up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright. Alright, so I got them all welded up, so the bottom plates are welded on. Now I got to replace this pin that I took out. And that's where a lot of the leaking was occurring, going down into the tube. So that pin is for when this footrest peg comes down. This pin stops it. So I got 5/16 stainless steel. It's going to go right in like that, and I'm just going to put a bead right around it so it's completely sealed. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to cut these. I need 4 of these, 2 inches each, so I need to cut 4. Let's go. Kind of thinking why I know they went with a tension pin instead of welding it in, because it's a really bad spot. So I'm going to take the flap disc to it, clean it up, and see if that makes it look a little better. Alright. Alright, so that is what's going to be my fix for the Kargo Master side steps. Not too bad. So this is all sealed up now. It's got a bead fully around there, and then welded and sealed around the pin. So it's not pretty. It's really hard to clean that up, so I'm going to keep working on it, try and do my best to clean it up as best I can. I got 3 more to do, so we'll see how it turns out, but should be good enough to powder coat it and hopefully not have any more problems. Alright, pretty easy, short little video. Don't want to bore you with doing the other 4, but that's basically what I'm doing for them. Yeah, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Every like helps the channel grow. Hit the subscribe button down below and follow along for our Jeep build and overland trailer build. We got more stuff coming, a lot of stuff in the works. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll answer as best as I can. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great Friday and a great weekend, and see you on the next video.